Welcome back to another video. Today we have the JomGand jump starter. It's the JW401. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube grows the platform, by subscribers and likes. They did send me this. They're not paying me for it. They just sent me this to test out, see if it works, see if it doesn't. Got capacity 2200 mAh, 81.4 watt hours, current 1000 amps, peak current 2000 amps, input 5 volts 3 amps, USB 5 volts 2 amps, output 5 volts 3 amps, USB 5 volts 2.4 amps, wireless 5 watts. So it does have wireless capability to charge your phone. Polarity red, black. And it looks like you have a pocket on the back with the instructions before we open it. So you do have the instructions on the back. One of the pockets we got the main device. This is, let's see here, turn it on, 76%. Tells you the percentage. It says USB. You got 5 volts 2 amps. You got in, out, 5 volts 3 amps, 5 volts 2.4 amps. That's USB. You got a flashlight there, and then you got the engine start here. Okay, it's charging. Okay, so you do have to press the button to charge. It says fast wireless charging. Now I don't know if you guys can read that. Right there. So it is charging it wirelessly. Nothing else. So we do have some cables here that we have, like this is the smart cable that they call it, start error. So it'll tell you if it has an error on it. Alright, so we're charging the device here. As you guys see, I have it connected here, in and out. This is USB type C, so it's charging 65%. It is a slow charging, just keep that in mind. It doesn't charge very quick. These are big, huge batteries, so they do take a long time to hold it. So that's the light right there. It's that's the flashlight. It's not the brightest, but it does help when you're stranded in the middle of the road. You need to change a tire or something. So I guess just hold it again, and yeah. So just holding it, it'll turn it off and on. Same thing with the charger. So it's charging now. It's this right there, wireless charging. I'm gonna put this on the charger to 100%, and then we're gonna take it outside. We're gonna test it on some V8 trucks I have back there. See if it'll start it. JomGand, we're gonna start a 5.3 engine, a GMC 5.3 engine. It's a Chevy basically, and we got a Ford with the 5.4 engine, a V8, Triton V8. So we're gonna start with the GM. I know this one does have trouble starting, so we're gonna try and start it with the JomGand. Alright, so let's take it out and set it up. So you take up the battery, you take up the cables, you connect the negative and the positives. That's the positive, and this is the negative. So you get a blinking red green light there. You can turn it on 100%. Alright, let's try to start it. Looks like we got some power. Alright, disconnected, connected it again. Let's go ahead and start it, see if it'll work. That's one. Guess we have to disconnect it again and connect it. Somehow it's not. Cuts off again. It's working like this because its battery's completely dead. So you have to disconnect this. Let's connect these first. Alright, we're connected. Okay, so it's off again, so you have to disconnect it and connect it again. Alright, so the engine does start on this one, and it did start it multiple times. And this truck is completely dead, by the way. You guys probably see where it starts and then where it doesn't. You see how I try it and do it and it doesn't start? Well, my final thoughts about this product. Well, overall it seems to be doing its job. It seems to be charging the phones. Seems to be the flashlight works. The jump starter does start a vehicle, does start a V8, so it's powerful enough to start a V8. So I would say this is a good jump starter buy. However, it only has one downfall. The downfall is that you do have to disconnect it every time you use it. For today, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.